The Indian Air Force and the Aeronautical Development Agency have confirmed that General Electric's F-414 engines will be used to power the fleet of 40 AMCA Mark I fighter jets, and the Indian military planners have now started looking for much more advanced engine options for the AMCA Mark II variant, keeping in mind the next generation state-of-the-art engine technology required for the 5.5 generation Mark II variant, which includes thermal management system, increased electrical power generation capability, and intelligent power management system, usage of advanced composite materials, so that the engine has future growth potential for upcoming 6th generation manned and unmanned platforms. India and UK are in the final stage of signing an agreement for the joint development of a new engine, but both sides have not disclosed if it will be based on the F136 engine technology that was being developed for the F-35 program, and the engine development was abandoned when it was nearly 80% complete, and it had accumulated more than 1,200 hours of testing since early 2009. Rolls-Royce has promised full intellectual property rights to India for the engine with full transfer of technology to be used on the AMCA Mark II. India will need to spend nearly $2.5 billion in initial investment for the prototypes and ground and flight testing of the new engines. It is to be noted that Rolls-Royce is already working on a new engine to power UK's Tempest 6th Gen fighter jet program, which will have its first flight in 2030. The Indian Air Force have also decided to incorporate features of 6th generation fighters in the AMCA Mark II, as it will enter production at a time when the top leading countries are expected to field the first prototypes of their 6th gen fighter jets that will be equipped with directed energy systems. We have already reported that the German firm Rheinmetall Group will start production of their Sky Shield anti-aircraft systems under the UP Defense Corridor project, and as per latest media reports, the German defense company has now expressed its interest in setting up a manufacturing facility for the Lynx next-generation fighting vehicle under the UP Defense Corridor, and has also offered the Lynx KF-41 to the Indian Army for its future infantry combat vehicle project. It is powered by a 1,140 horsepower engine, and is outfitted with a lance turret mounted with a stabilized automatic cannon of 35 mm, that enables it to engage static and moving targets at 3 km, and it is also equipped with the latest 7.62 by 51 mm Rheinmetall machine gun. Mobility parameters include a maximum road speed of 70 km per hour, with an operational range of 500 km on 900 liters of diesel fuel. The vehicle's ballistic steel armor is designed to protect the crew from anti-tank systems, medium-caliber ammunition and artillery projectiles, and it is also equipped with Rheinmetall's active protection system as well as passive protection system and other defensive aids. The central government will hold an initial public offering for shares in Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders in October. The shipyard is building 4 P-15B destroyers, 4 P-17A stealth frigates and 6 Scorpion-class conventional submarines, and a large number of investors are looking to buy the shares, as they want to benefit from the government-funded shipbuilding program worth thousands of crores, especially after the recent ban on the import of frigates, corvettes and next-generation missile vessels. India conducts regular military exercises with France and Australia, and as per latest reports, the three countries are now planning to expand it to a new series of trilateral joint military exercises, and this was discussed during the recent visit of the French Defense Minister Florence Parly to India for Rafale induction. This development comes at a time when analysts have predicted that the Indian Ocean region will soon see a large presence of the Chinese Navy.